Artificial intelligence, a threat to humanity or a tool for progress? Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables machines to learn and make decisions like humans. Despite its potential benefits, some people fear that AI could become a threat to humanity. After all, what would happen if machines became smarter than us and began to control our lives? This fear isn't entirely unfounded, as some AI systems have already exhibited unpredictable and dangerous behavior. However, AI can also be a valuable tool for progress. In the healthcare industry, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. In the transportation sector, AI can help self-driving cars become safer and more reliable. In the energy industry, AI can optimize power usage and reduce waste. AI can also help us understand and solve complex problems, from climate change to global poverty. In fact, AI has the potential to improve our quality of life in ways we can't even imagine. The key is to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. This means creating a framework that takes into account the unique risks and challenges posed by AI. It also means making sure that AI is transparent and accountable, so that people can understand and trust it. Moreover, it's important to ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. This means tackling issues like bias and discrimination in AI algorithms. Ultimately, whether AI becomes a threat or a tool for progress depends on the choices we make as a society. By working together, we can harness the power of AI for the greater good and ensure a brighter future for all.